Hey guys, so I went ahead and did my second transaction for this week. I didn't post the first one, which I had been meaning to do and I never did, and so I might do it soon. But I ended up going to CVS again because I wanted to use my bonus beauty reward bucks that I had gotten. And so I had $16 and $9 there, and then I also ended up using an extra $5 CVS extra care buck that I had from my past week's transaction, and so I only ended up spending 25 cents on all of these items right here. And then on top of that, I ended up getting a $4 extra care buck, a $5, another $4, and another $4. So I ended up getting $4, $8, $12, $17 back in extra care bucks. So it was great. I mean, I had used about 30 extra care bucks and got 17 back. So, I mean, I guess I spent like $13 technically, but I was rolling the extra care bucks. So the first kind of deal that I did was on the Colgate. So these are $5.49 each. I had a 2 off of 10 Colgate for like toothbrushes, toothpaste, and mouthwash. And then when you bought one of these multi-packs, you got $2 in extra care bucks back. So I got $2 back for these, and it took $2 off. So I mean, it was about $4 something for the 2 of these, if you count the extra bucks. These, you didn't need any coupons at all. These were an easy deal. These are $2.49 a piece because they're like the small travel size ones, and you get a $2 extra care buck back from the register. So they're actually like 49 cents each, which is a great deal. They had some smaller ones, which would be even more ideal for traveling, but these ones were still small, but had like a bigger milliliter, had more mouthwash in there, so I thought these would still be a little bit of a better deal, even though the other ones you'd be paying more for the compactness of the packaging. These Brooksides, these are actually $3.79 with your card. I think they're initially like $4.99. But they're having these and some of the other Hershey Crunch bar layer things for $3.79 with your card. And then you should have gotten a printout from the CVS Coupon Center at the beginning of this week for $2 off. So I got $2 off of this, so it made this $1.79. And I love these things, and I haven't had them in forever. So I thought this was a great deal to just kind of, you know, splurge for getting all those extra bucks. And I got these nail polishes as well. These are something that a lot of people have been doing. These are 2 for $5, these paparazzi nail polishes. Plus when you buy 2, or when you spend $5, I forgot what the requirement is. I think it's when you buy 2. But when you buy 2, you get $4 back in extra care bucks. So really, they're 50 cents each. Don't know if this is a quality nail polish brand, but I mean, hey, I could either use this at home for when I just need a little something on my nails, or I can bring it to work, or something, you know. And then the last part of my transaction that I did, these ones weren't as necessarily as great of a deal, but I had been wanting to get some nail stuff, and since I had the CRT that printed out for $2 off of 12 cosmetics, which was lips, nails, face, anything in any regards. I could have even used it on lashes or anything, but I chose to use it on nail products just because I've recently been doing a lot of gel nails, and my nails have been kind of rough since then. So I got a hardener, which was $3.99, and then I got an instant cuticle remover because I've been wanting to try this, and it was $7.49, so it was a little over $12. So I got the $2 off for spending the required $12 for my CRT. And then when you bought any 2 Sally Hansen's products, you got $4 back. So it wasn't the greatest deal, but it was something that I had been wanting, and I had a slight bit of a deal on it. So this is where most of my money got spent. The other stuff was pretty significantly cheap. But yeah, so this was my second transaction of the week, and then I will probably try and post my other transaction at some point in time this week as well. But I just wanted to let y'all know what I had done for this transaction. So if you guys wanted to try and do something similar, or, you know, needed toothbrushes or mouthwash, or I don't know, a snack, then you know that there's still a little something going on for that at CVS this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon.